Alright guys, I'm back. I think this is going to be the last one for the night. We have one pretty good sized cell just off to the south, and that's the direction I'm facing. And I don't know if it's, last time I checked about 5 minutes ago, it was still severe storm warned. I don't know if it is anymore because it is weakening as it did weaken as it crossed the state. But I think this is kind of the end of this setup for this weekend. We had a stall front draped right over the state of Missouri, right along the I-70 corridor, and that's where all this rain has come from. So I'll stop talking here for a minute, and just film this. See how this goes. Starting to pick up a little bit of rain now. Oh, that was good. That was a good one. That was another good one. A lot of cloud to cloud lightning with this one. Not seeing many bolts, I'm just seeing a lot of bright flashes. Ooh, that was a good one. Starting to get some rain now, it looks like. 30 more seconds here and then call it for the night. Ooh, that's a good one to end on. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Take care.